different spot. Like, look how freaking scenic this area is. So of course, you know, your boy got a couple of pictures, but today we're gonna talk about something that kind of, look, before we even begin, okay, there's gonna be people that are like, dude, bro, you don't know what you're talking about. Stop, shut up. This is all my opinion. These are things that I see in the car community that are kind of just like, bro, what? I don't understand why people do it, but you guys just do it anyway. And that also, that being said, when everything that I'm listing, don't take it so much to the heart. Look, if you guys like doing this to your car, I don't want to stop anybody's creativity. I'm not saying not to be creative. I'm just saying these look pretty stupid. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about the 5 things that should die. Stop being a trend. Stop putting these mods in your car. The 5 trends and car mods that should die today. But the first thing, number one, we're gonna talk about something that I see on the road all the time, and I'm just like, dude, why? I'm sure a lot of you guys have done it because it's a cheap mod. It's something that you see on YouTube that everybody promotes a lot, but I'm gonna put you on the spot. I'm gonna put you on the spot right now. Number 1, plastic dipping your wheels. Guys, to me, I don't know if you guys have done it already. I don't know if you currently have on your car or if you're on the same page as me, but one thing I can tell you is it looks super cheap. Just keep the car, I don't know, like the way I see it, it's like you should either buy your wheels in the color you want. I got my wheels in the color I want, in the aluminum color. Dope. By the way, Nismo Wheels, everybody should get Nismo Wheels if you have a 370. Nothing looks worse than plastic dipping your wheels. I see way too many people they get their brand new Honda Civic Si, and I'm sorry I'm putting you guys on the spot. They get their brand new Civic Si. They're like, oh bro, these stock wheels, they just don't look good at all. What can make them better? Goes to the parts store, white wheels, pink wheels, blacked out, baby. We're going all black, baby. To me, it just looks super cheap. If you are going to buy wheels, just get the wheels in the color that you want. It makes no sense. Or if you can't do that, just save. You get me? Like, just do it right the first time. Just do it right the first time. Wheels, man, in my opinion, they make or break the car. You can, like, a lot of cars look tough when they're lowered and everything, but when you have the wrong wheel setup, when it comes down to the actual design and color, it really throws off the whole look. So just do it right, guys. Just do it right. Listen to Daddy Nor. I've been there. We've done some dumb things. You guys have seen it on the channel. We are guilty of a lot of things that I'm gonna put on this list, and it's on this list for a reason. Okay, so this next one, I'm kind of guilty of it myself. Yeah. I feel like we've all done it. What's number 2? Straight piping your exhaust. Straight piping your exhaust. Oh. Some of you guys nailed it. Some of you guys don't. I don't know if I nailed it. A lot of people said they like my exhaust. A lot of people on Danny Z's video said my exhaust sounded raspy. Well, now I sound like a Prius because I'm back to stock. And I'm going with, and I'm sorry, bro. I keep putting you guys on the spot, and I apologize. But man, my Honda fam, like, guys, what are y'all doing? Don't, like, in my opinion, straight pipe 4-bangers usually sound like crap. In my opinion, straight pipe Mustangs usually sound like crap. In my opinion, straight pipe 350Zs and 370Zs sound like crap unless they're done right. I'm more along the lines of the guys that, like, they go to the muffler shop, they go, oh my god, and muffler delete. You know what, that's an extra one. I'm gonna mix it. The muffler delete, I'm gonna let it stay in with this one, but yeah, like, guys, oh my god, the dudes with the muffler delete, the straight pipe, like, it just sounds so bad. Get the right metals. If you're gonna go straight pipe, go with the right exhaust, like actual exhaust. Don't cheap out, okay? Like, there are some budget exhausts that sound great. Like, I had an ISR exhaust on mine, and I loved how it sounded. A lot of people didn't, a lot of people did, but it's on you. But the ones that just get straight pipe, they cut out all the cats, and then they think that their car is gonna sound fantastic. I'm just gonna let you know, it doesn't. It does not sound fantastic. Don't be that guy. There's one that I had on this list that I had a feeling was gonna piss absolutely everybody off, and well, what do you guys think it might be? And I'll give you a hint. It does deal with wheels, okay? By the way, you know I always gotta have some Nismo appreciation in every video. Whatever. Oh god, how do I even word this without getting killed? Guys, the one, alright, wheel plastic dipping your wheels and all that, and you might do it, you think it looks dope, but one thing that absolutely, like, I just do not get, that a lot of people do in the car community, is just, a lot of people have embraced this. I don't understand it. Unless you are bagged. Not even bagged. I don't even know why you would do this. Like, hella camber, yo. That's number 3. Number 3, hella camber, yo. I don't get it. I don't get it. A lot of people, everybody, like, dude, Like, okay, what's cool? A little bit of, you know, that's dope. That's good. You know, good camber. By the way, ignore my weak fitment, but dope camber. Okay. Oh, well, let me fix it. All right, there we go. Dope camber. All right. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Oh, what's going on? What is this? Some people have their cars literally so much camber that you're just laying frame while driving. Like, I don't understand the hype of that. And so many people have like so much camber on their car that you are laying frame just driving. Like, your wheels look like this. I'm sure everybody has seen that Egyptian pyramid angle, like that. What was it? Not even 90 degree. I'm failing at math so bad. Everybody has seen that crazy camber on a car at least once, and I've seen some G35s. So VQ guys, we're not safe. I see you guys running it. I don't understand it. Like I said, where are you gonna go? What happens when you get a speed bump? Like, my guy, or my girls, you know, my 1%. Guys, I don't understand. I don't know. Leave it in the comments if you're hella cambered out and for some reason that's what really rocks your socks. Leave a comment as to why. What is the purpose of being that cambered and that low? Obviously I like cars that are slammed too, but I just like dope fitment. But speaking of dope fitment, I'm still deciding if I should run spacers, because I do kind of have like that weird gap here. I need to lower the car a little bit still. But yeah, let me know if I should get spacers on my car, because I don't know. I usually don't like running spacers, but I feel like these wheels to make it look complete, because ever since I saw them on Charlie's car with spacers, now I want. Leave a comment. Let me know if you think I should do it. Number 4. We're gonna talk about something that kind of just bothers me. Like, I'm picking on the Honda guys so much, but realistically, it's almost everybody. But for some reason, number 4. Let's just jump into it. Number 4. Tall wings on front wheel drive cars. Guys, this ain't the Fast and Furious. Look, I was inspired too. I liked Honda Civics ever since the first movie too. Come on, man, do it right. All right. Look, a lot of people don't like the Duckbill spoiler. That's cool, but guess what? My spoiler, instead of going, it goes, do it right. You know, like, there's no benefit of having your wing taller than me. Okay, like, it should not be passing me. I am 6'6". If your wing is taller than me, I'm gonna put gasoline and burn it. There's no benefit of having your front wheel drive car having a wing bigger than your future. That makes 0 sense. It does absolutely nothing. Unless I'm just being completely stupid and wrong, again, let me know, because again, this is all subjective. This is stuff that I see that I'm just like, dude, why? What's it? What? I don't get it. I really don't get it. The next one is a huge pet peeve of mine. This is the one that pisses me off the absolute most, okay? You can hate everything I've said, but I feel like everybody can agree on this one. Why are you guys putting LED light bars on your car? That's number 5. I don't get it. Nothing pisses me off more than when I'm driving. Bro, I have a lowered car. Everybody that has a lower car can understand this. Nothing's worse than when you're just driving and you have some douche in a truck, a lifted truck with the brightest LED bar, not only in the grill, on the top of the car, on the side of the truck, whatever, on the rotors, and it comes out like a transformer and it just blinds you. Nothing worse than feeling like you're at an Ultra concert at EDC or something and it's just some random car behind you. That pisses me off so much, because half the time at night when I see you guys pull up, I live in the boonies, so any kind of light, like, you can shine a laser at me, it's already too bright in the area. I saw a 240SX with the light bar, and I know that's a lot, like, for some reason a big thing in the drift community now. Or, well, I don't know, let me not talk crap, but I've been seeing 240s with a light bar, and then this is the one that set me off, where I was like, dude, what are you doing? A Scion TC with a light bar? Look, like I said, a lot of the things I'm saying are all subjective, and it's just stuff that I look at and I don't get it. But maybe you guys understand more than I do. And you know what? Oh, let me give you guys a bonus one. This, I think, is number 1, okay? And look, this is coming from a YouTuber. Like, my channel is all based on the Z. It's all based on my car and the motor swap. If you don't know, I'm putting a VR30 motor in my car, which is the Q60 one. We'll give you an extra one. Number 6, the extra one. Building your car for social media likes. Don't do that. Even though I'm making fun of all these things that I think are kind of dumb, if you like that, do it. If whatever you like doing to your car, just do it. A lot of people, Vic, they didn't like the idea of me putting on the Nismo kit, the V1 kit with the Duckbill spoiler. Vic said that it was gonna look bad. I personally think it looks sick, and I don't see that many people running it like that, so I'm with it. I like that. That's the mentality that you need to keep while you're building your car, is just have fun building your car. We all straight pipe our car eventually. Well, not all, maybe most of us straight pipe our car. I was one of those weirdos. I did it, whatever. A lot of us plastic gassy dip or something on the car, or do a terrible spray job on the wing. A lot of us like putting LED bars and all sorts of bright blinding things. That way when the aliens come out of Area 51, they know where to go. It's your car, build it how you like it. But I just wanted to bring this video up because of course I'm gonna do a follow-up video with this one. I want to see what you guys think in the comments right now. I want to see if you guys agree with me, if you don't, if you hate me, if you love me. Tell me what you guys think about this list, and I want to see your 5. Give me your 5 in the comments of the worst mods that or trends that need to end today. I thought mine was like, these are things that annoy me, but I can imagine what annoy you. And I swear, if one of you guys put 370Zs, I'ma laugh. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, if you chuckled at least once, just give me a like. Your boy needs all the help he can get, so make sure you like, because that helps expand the channel out. It's also windy. I feel like a hurricane's about to blow me off the edge here, but whatever. And hopefully, if you guys like the scenic view, drop a like also, or drop a comment. Let me know, because I'll come back here to film. This is just nice, bro. Look at that. I felt like Cinderella. Whatever. So make sure you guys subscribe if you're feeling the content. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Give me a kiss.